Are you thinking about using Kajabi Funnels? In this video, you'll discover the key things to know before getting started so that you can make the most of Kajabi's powerful funnel tools. But before we dive into the details, I wanted to share something special with you. So if you want to try Kajabi, I've got a special link for you. It gives you a 30-day free trial, which is much longer than the usual 14 days. And as a thank you for using my link, you're going to get my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And in this course, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up and use Kajabi step by step, but that's not all. You'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, they're worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that at no cost. And the best part is you'll get instant access to both the course and templates when you use my link. So check out the link in the description below. Now, let's dive in. So Kajabi Funnels are under the marketing tab on the left side of your Kajabi dashboard. When you click on funnels, you'll see an option to create a new one. Now, there are different templates to choose from, like ones for lead generation, product launches, or sales pages. There's also a blank template if you want to build your own. Before using a funnel, it's a good idea to watch Kajabi's Learn How To videos. These quick tutorials, usually under a minute, explain what each funnel does and how it can fit into your marketing strategy. Now, Kajabi funnels are built to make creating a sales funnel simple and stress-free. Now, one of the best things about them is how they bring everything that you need, like landing pages, forms, checkout pages, and email automations into one place. Now, this setup lets you build a funnel that takes people from being interested to making a purchase without switching between different tools or tabs. For example, while building your funnel, you can move between the landing page, form, and checkout page using a unique funnel toolbar. Now, this toolbar gives you a clear view of your funnel's flow so that you can easily see how everything connects and make sure that it works perfectly together. Furthermore, the funnel builder automatically connects your pages to all of the tools that you need. When you create a funnel, the button on your sales page is already set up to take people straight to your checkout or thank you page. Even better, when someone fills out a form, it instantly kicks off the email sequence that you've assigned. Now, this built-in setup is super helpful, especially if you are new to Kajabi. It saves you time and effort because you don't have to manually connect each step. Kajabi takes care of linking everything together so that you can focus on improving your content and boosting your conversions. It's important to keep in mind that Kajabi funnels are a great all-in-one option, but you're not stuck with just using them. You can build the same funnel pieces like landing pages, forms, and checkout pages directly from the website section, and this is going to give you more flexibility. So if you ever hit the limit on how many funnels that you can create based on your Kajabi plan, don't worry, you can still get the same results by using the individual tools Kajabi offers. This way, you can work around any limits and still have the freedom to choose what works best for you. Another advantage of the funnel builder is the detailed analytics that it gives you. The reporting features aren't anything groundbreaking, but they do offer a new way to look at how your funnel is performing. So you can see how visitors move through each step and understand how your automations and tag triggers are working. Now, this kind of insight is really important when you're trying out new strategies or tweaking your funnel to get better conversions. It helps you figure out what's working and what needs to change. Now, one of the best things about Kajabi's funnel builder is how easy it is to see your entire funnel in one place. Now, while working on it, you can see everything: your landing page, form, checkout, and email sequence all laid out together. Now, this makes it simple to understand how your funnel works and keeps things organized. Plus, it's super easy to move between sections. You don't have to waste time clicking through different tabs or pages. For example, if you want to change the call to action on your landing page, you can instantly see how it fits with the rest of your funnel. Now, this way, everything stays smooth for your visitors from start to finish. And that's it for this video, guys. And as promised, I got something special for you since you've made it all the way through this. I have a unique link that is going to give you a full 30-day trial of Kajabi instead of the usual 14 days. That means you'll get more time to dive in, set up your product, build your site, and test all of the features without feeling rushed. Simply check the link in the description of this video to grab your extended trial. Now, this is an affiliate link, so I will earn a small commission if you decide to keep your subscription after the trial. Doesn't cost you anything extra, and you actually get more time to explore the platform. And as a thank you for using my link, you're going to get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course. And this course is just a quick program where I'm going to walk you through setting up your Kajabi account step by step. And we're going to cover everything from customizing your site to creating your first product. And that's not all. When you use my link, you'll also get my premium Notion templates for free. Now, these templates are worth over $900, but you will get them for free. The best part is that you'll get access to the course and templates instantly when you use my link. I just want to make this easy for you to start strong so that you can focus on growing your business and making an impact from day one. Now, if you want to know more, just let me know in the comments. I'd be happy to help you set up your online business with Kajabi. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.